In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Let's get started. For some reasons that you want to change your search engine from Yahoo to Google Chrome, then you can do this method. First, open your preferred browser, but for now, let's just use this Chrome browser. Click on the three dots icon on the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Under the Settings, click on the Search Engine option. Now in here, click the Change button and then select Google from the menu. After that, click the Set as Default. Next, click the Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click the three dots icon beside the Yahoo and select Delete to remove it from your search engines. You can delete any search engine that you want here and make sure that Google is set to default. That's basically it.